What's up, everybody? Back doing another thumbnail video. And so this one is for my Star Trek Season 2 recap video. And this is actually a very quick video because this thumbnail is pretty much already set up. I'm not going to really do anything else with it. All I have to really do is come in here and change this text. And then come down here and play with this little to show all of the text if it ever wants to come back. Really weird. And then we just grab this. I guess this is, what is this, the move tool? Then make sure this is set to canvas. Center. It's all recentered. Right? Save. Export. I actually already exported it. I had to go back and do it. I figured it's a quick process to share, and I did it so fast I was like, oh yeah, I didn't record it. So yep, that's a quick little adjustment to that template. Thanks for watching. Peace. Thank you for watching the video. I hope you really enjoyed it, and if you did, please click the circle in the middle to subscribe. The rectangle on your left is another video. The rectangle on your right is a playlist of other videos that you may enjoy. Thanks again. Peace.